Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Tuesday, August the 4th. I'm gone after a month of vacation and business. Glad to be back and glad that Paul and Jim did such a great job of filling in. Got a number of great press releases for you from all sides of the border. Let's start you off first with results. We got China Valves Technology trades on the OTC under CVVT. They announced that they received $4.3 million in purchase orders for their two-way metal sealing butterflies. This order is out of one of their subsidiaries, and they received it from the Kunshan Water Group and the Guangzhou Water Supply Company, valued at $1.2 and $3.1 million respectively. What's important to know is that these valves are primarily used to control municipal water and sewage flow. So this is a staple product. We like these kind of companies because you can imagine municipal water and sewage flow, got to have them in China. Good to be positioned there. This is a fully integrated company, develop and manufacture all the way through. They do it for nuclear, thermal power, electricity industries, petroleum, chemical, you name it, right across the board. They enjoy domestic market share, significant market share, and they export to Asia and Europe. They closed yesterday at $3.25. Their 52-week high, $8. Their 52-week low, $1.20. Gives them a $204 million market cap. Now, this news came out yesterday morning, but we were closed for a Canadian holiday, so keep that in mind. They may have had some movement on that already, but nonetheless, great news out of China Valves. Next up, Wesdome Gold Mines trades on the big board, Toronto Stock Exchange, on the stock symbol WDO. They're announcing record revenue, like to hear that, of $53.8 million. That's for the first half of 2009, and they're also increasing production guidance. Here are the highlights that they gave during the second quarter. This ended June 30th. Combined gold production from the two operating gold mines right now totaled just under 21,000 ounces. Production the first half, 48,400 ounces. That's a 12% increase over 2008. We like to hear that. Gold sales in second quarter, $30.2 million. That's 28,000 ounces of gold that they sold at about an average price of 1,076 Canadian dollars. Year to date, $53.8 million in revenue. That's 48,700 ounces of gold they sold at about $1,100 per ounce. That's Canadian. And that's $180 per ounce more than during the first half of 2008. So production is up and prices are up. Great company here. They're established Canadian gold producer. Wholly owned mining and milling complexes are in Wawa, Ontario and Val-d'Or, Quebec. I like that because that means stability, political stability. This isn't offshore somewhere. They've been producing gold continually for 20 years on an unhedged basis, and to date they've produced an excess of over 1 million ounces. They closed on Friday at $1.72. That's closer 52-week high of 228, way off the low of 40 cents. Gives a market cap of about $171 million. Good news out of Wesdome. Next up, Passport Metals. This is an AGORACOM client. Have to disclose that. They do trade on the Venture Exchange under the stock symbol PPI. They announced asset results from the first two holes of their summer 2009 drill program. This is at their Holbrook Basin Potash project. Here are the highlights. Hole DDH-0109 returned 14.64% of potassium oxide. That's from 895 feet to 899.5 feet. Included in that, 18.75% of potassium oxide. That's from 895.5 feet to 898.5. In hole DDH-0209, 11.6%. That's from 992 to 996 feet. Included in there, just under 16% of K2O as well, from 992 feet to 994.5, and all that is potassium oxide. Passport is exploring the Holbrook Basin Potash Project for its potash potential. As you can imagine, the road accessible 3,210 hectare property lies 13 kilometers east of the town of Holbrook in the county of Navajo, Arizona. Gotta like that area as well. The company closed on Friday, at 18 cents, just off its 52-week low of 22.5, way off its high, of 22.5, way off its low of just 3 cents. So good news out of them. That's an AGORACOM client, but go take a look at PPI. And finally, I got one stock hold for you. This is Precision Enterprise. PSCP looks like a capital pool company. They were halted today at 9:09, and at the company's request, pending news. Go take a look at that. It may be their qualifying transaction. They may be vending in a company. So always good to take a look at who's doing what there. As always, quality over quantity. Great press release today. If you look for more great small and mid-cap companies, make your way over to AGORACOM. Take a look at a couple of things there. First, the front page news. We got 20 best news out of 4 or 5 different industries over the last couple of days. In addition to that, you can link straight into the marketplace. We got close to 65 companies listed by industry and exchange that you can quickly find that best suit your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.